These are all varieties of damask roses. Well, this is one variety of damask rose. I've got 2 bushes. And here's another variety that I ordered online. It's an heirloom variety. The scent on these are out of this world. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick the buds, we're going to pick the flowers, and we're going to make rose jam. That should be enough for a batch. Okay. So, I want to give this a good rinse. So how do we do this? These. Should we count these? 3, 5, 8, 11, 12, 14, 17, 18, 21, 25, 26, 27, 31, 31 and 6, 59 and 6, 65, 72, 172 approximately. I think I was off by 10 maybe. 165 to 172 roses. I'm going to strain them in here. All the little parts should go through, but any roses that filter through, I'll catch here, right? So what we'll do is remove this. Oh, yeah. Put this down, put this on top, right? And you should be bigger. We'll put this, underneath. This on top. The roses. And the petals. Then we're going to give it a nice thorough rinse. I don't know if I need it. So, there we go. Oh, add 2 to that. That's it. Actually, we'll just let it sit. Nothing much fell through, did it? A few fell through. 556 grams wet. Or let's call it 1¼ pounds wet. Okay. That's my recipe book. I made the book. I'll just get my rose jam recipe, and we're going to where's my rose jam? Here is rose petal jam. Okay, pencil. So what we're going to do, we're going to put this on low heat. I'm going to add I got some lemon juice here, so let's see how many tablespoons. I'm going to put, I've got one recipe that calls for a cup of lemon juice, and I got a recipe that calls for 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. So, it's a 1/4 cup. Call it 9 tablespoons, so 1 1/8. We'll figure this out. I'm going to put three cups of sugar. There we go. Mush. Looks like mush. Okay. 2 cups of water. I boiled it. 1, 2. I will need to add more, so. Okay. One, 2, 3. Okay, taste test. I got 2 bottles, 2 jars. What are they, 2-cup jars? They're the masonry jars, right? I got 2 masonry jars, 500 mils, I guess, of the jam. I let it simmer for 30 minutes. Okay, so this isn't an exact science, right? You make the jam to your preferences. The sugar, the lemon, the viscosity. You could have let it simmer less. It would have been a little bit more liquidy. I like my foods, I like my sweets a little bit more lemony than other people. So you may want to play around with the lemoniness. We're just going to take a taste test here. So I made my daughter blueberry muffins yesterday, and we ran out of butter. So I'm using the little containers of butter that comes with food. So I like butter on my bread with my jam. This is whipped butter. The aroma is out of this world. When I was cooking it, it just filled the whole house. So there you have it. Usually when you make jam, preserves, you sterilize the bottles and then you just keep it on the shelf. You don't have to do this with this. This is going to finish in a couple days. Anyway, cheers. Here's to happy rose petal jam making. It's amazing. It's a little bit acidic, that I like it. I put 10 with 1.25 pounds of wet petals. I added 10 tablespoons of lemon. If you're making it, start with 6, add more as you're going along. I put 2 cups of water, 3 cups of sugar. Play around with it. The whole process is an hour, right? Until next time, guys, thanks.